Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is almost here. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is around the corner, but we are getting news regarding the following year's foldable devices. You can expect way cheaper foldable smartphone than we will see on Z Fold 4 or Z Flip 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to hit the market in August along with Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. Some rumors are pointing toward 10th of August release date, but it's not confirmed, since Samsung official didn't confirm the release date of these devices. But we can expect the launch date somewhere around in August as per Samsung's edition. You are going to wait till Z Fold 5 or you guys will going to pick Z Fold 4 this year. According to rumors, those rumors are even confirmed by Anthony that Samsung is planning to release a foldable smartphone cost around $750 in the coming years. And this foldable phone will be a part of 2024's series lineup, means you can expect a budget-friendly foldable phone just like a series. But for that you need to compromise on a few things, where you find some plastic material, a budget processor, and budget cameras. And you can hope that core functionality will be there, and this is not just Flip series. Meanwhile, something Galaxy Z Fold 4 will cost around $1,699 for base model, $1,799 for 512 gigs of storage, and $2,000 for 1TB version. These numbers are not confirmed, but you can expect the price around them. The processor on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes standout from a Z Fold 3. Since we see similar features on Z Fold 4 that we have seen on Z Fold 3, the numbers are quite promising. When Geekbench score, the single-core score is around 1351 and multi-core score is around 3808, but last year's Z Fold 3 stands at 921 for a single-core score and 2967 for multi-core score, a big difference here. And even standard engine 1 Plus is 30% more power efficient than the previous generation, so you can get a better battery life on the Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 cameras are what everyone wants to know about, where the main lens will be 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with the 3x zoom and 10 megapixel selfie camera on outer display. And you can expect a 4 megapixel selfie camera in a display. And obviously credit goes to a new hinge with a better design, which makes the phone for the lightest foldable phone till this day. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. See you on my next video. One, peace out.